Hello, traders, and welcome to PL Capital's Market Review. Today is Thursday, May 11th, just after 3 p.m. Central Time. And in this video, I want to look at commodities of natural gas, oil, copper, gold, and silver. So let's go. All right, so in my last video, I was saying I'm looking for some type of a flat structure to happen here. And so far, we just have this one move up. So that looks like the first wave. I'm looking for a 5-wave structure to make the C wave. So either, if it's a running flat, it'll stop somewhere up here, and if it's a expanding flat, they'll come and break that high one more time. So far we just have one, and then we do have a 3-wave move down. So that could be all the correction, but given today's big sell-off, it looks like that was A, and then you got a 3-wave move here for B, and then they'll come and break this 216 probably, because that's so strong that it doesn't really fit this structure. So that's A, B, and then come down here in some fashion for a C wave. And who knows, they could stop somewhere around 213, but natural gas, they could take it all the way down if they want. So that'll be 2, and then like I said in my last video, I'm watching the strength of the third wave. If it just comes up to here, 3, 4, and 5, then that'll give you the running flat. But the higher that this third wave can go, then they'll be pushing up probably to make an expanding flat. So just waiting for this second wave to finish here, and then we can start watching for that third wave and seeing what kind of a flat structure we got. So expecting a little bit more down in natural gas before that third wave move up. And let's move over to oil. And same thing like with natural gas. It looks like the first wave in oil is done. But now in oil, I'm only expecting a 3-wave move. So not 5 like natural gas. So it looks like this is the first wave, and now they're starting some type of correction. And we do have 3 waves, so that could be all of the correction. But oil just doesn't seem like it's really going. So might be a while that they're going to hang out here. So we'll have to see. We do have a 1, 2 here. And so if this can start pushing up, then it looks like this was all the correction down to 70.63. But we'll have to see. That this might just be the A, and then they'll give you 3 waves here, and then another leg lower. But I do expect, once this correction completes, come up, and I would think that like 77-ish would be a good place for this wave to end, and this will be the 4th wave before we head down. So, but I'm still waiting to see if this correction is complete. Might be. All right, let's go on to copper. All right, so finally, it looks like this WXYXZ, well, the Z wave could be done. We've got all the makings for it. It looks like, we've got, came down into this zone that I've had for a while. We do have some divergence on MACD and RSI. So at any point now, I'm expecting copper to give a buy setup. So they should be, if they're not already done, they should be finishing this Z wave, and then we're gonna be eventually going back up to break this 435 high one more time. So good area right now to start looking for a buy setup. Gold. All right, so in my last video, I was thinking that they were making, let me zoom in. making a flat here. I thought it was going to be a running flat because I thought this was 5 waves here, and then I thought this was A, B, and then they were going to come down for a C wave. But they didn't do that, because we've got 1, 2, and 3, and then I thought they were going to come up here for 4, and then come one more time for 5, and that would be the perfect setup for, or the look of a flat. But this came way up here, so it's not going to be a flat. Well, it's not going to be a running flat. So I still think that is 5, and this is A and B. But I think what they might be doing is some type of expanding flat, because we do have 3 waves to here, and it looks like there's 3 waves to here. Actually, I don't even know if this almost looks like it's just 1 wave here. And so far we just have 3 waves down. So either this is 3 waves, and so maybe they're making like a diagonal coming down for the C wave. But I think what they're going to do then, it's going to break this low here of 1969. I think they're going to break that and probably making like an expanding flat. So have to watch here. If they break this low, then this is 1, that was 2, and then they're going to come down for 3, 4, and 5. Somewhere down here, and probably make an expanding flat here. But I don't even know that they might still go up. Oops. Might go up one more time, because this might be 1. Let me get rid of this. So this might just be 1, and then here's an ABC, and then they might come up one more time, and that'll be 2, and then they'll come down for 3, 4, 5. So right now it's just real iffy on what direction they're going to go. They might come up, I think, one more time maybe, but I think there's more downside in gold. And when we look at silver, you'll see why I'm favoring more downside in gold. So when we look at silver, let me zoom out. Silver just, I see this as still a big A wave. And then they made this little 1, 2, 3. It barely broke that previous high. So that's a 1, 2, 3. And now they came today and they broke that previous low over here. So this 3-wave move looks like a B wave to me. And, silver's just selling off really hard today. So I think they're going to make a running flat for silver. So I expect silver to come down, not exactly sure where, but, somewhere, like in that kind of a format, so that this will be A, B, C, and then silver will eventually resume its course. But I think the C wave here is in motion, and they'll be coming down here. So that's why I think gold is probably going to make like an expanding flat, but silver will make this running flat formation. So a little bit more down in silver and gold before they resume up. Okay, that's what I see in the commodities. Thanks for watching. Let me know of any comments or questions. Thanks for your likes and support, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.